Over the last 2 days, we have been on a creative inspiration journey out here in nature. I feel like as creatives, we don't really get out in nature very often. We've been wine tasting, we've been hiking, we've been river kayaking and floating. We've also been learning about the new Adobe mobile and tablet apps coming out and testing those out, so that's been fun, and mostly just been hanging out and collaborating with each other.
What Creative Camp means to me is really about creativity everywhere and real-time collaboration at the end of the day, working with people. Because it's funny, we talk about creativity everywhere, but we do it from our offices. It's nice we're actually pulling people like out of their safe little comfort zones and putting them in these fantastic places.
It's been absolutely brilliant. I've gotten to meet some super talented people. I've gotten to learn about all the new apps that Adobe has coming out. I've gotten a chance to just see where my skill set is and where I need to do some work. I've loved learning about what they have planned for Photoshop. I've loved learning about Fresco, and especially I've also loved actually checking out Aero.
I think it's really important to be able to create everywhere. I think that the best source of inspiration is outside of the home and outside of your normal environment. So to be able to create when you get that inspiration on the go is so important. And for a long time, we've been held back by our tools, and now we're kind of able to bring those tools with us. And so it's just giving us more flexibility.
My favorite new product has been Adobe Fresco because of the live brushes. There are these live paint brushes that act just like regular watercolor and oil paint, like on the canvas. The texture, you would swear there was paper behind there, you would swear there was like an actual canvas behind there, and the paints mix together and they bleed, and it's a really cool tool.
The highlight from the Creative Camp was definitely being able to be linked up with so many different people from around the world and people who I would never usually be in contact with. I think that's just so awesome and so important for us as creators as well. Just to be able to collaborate and bring ideas together, like we're doing a cool activity now where we're collaborating and we're linking illustration, another photographer who has a completely different style to me. The stuff that we're going to be able to produce from this thing is something that I've never been able to do, and in such a beautiful location as well.